Deep nose blackheads extraction pore by pore cleaning. Don't blink, because every second, another pore is transformed. This isn't a quick cleanup. It's a detailed pore by pore extraction where every blackhead is carefully removed, revealing what has been hidden beneath the surface for months. Today, we're performing a deep nose blackheads extraction with complete pore by pore cleaning. Why every pore is different. No two pores are exactly the same. Some contain fresh oil buildup, others hold hardened blackheads that have remained for a long time. Some are barely visible, while others are packed with congestion. Today's treatment gives every pore individual attention. Mapping the congested areas. Before extraction begins, the most congested sections are identified: the center of the nose, the sides of the nostrils, the nose tip. These areas usually contain the highest concentration of blackheads. Step 1. Deep cleansing. Surface oil and daily impurities are removed first. A clean surface allows the extraction process to be more precise. Step 2. Steam pore preparation. Warm steam softens stubborn blockages hidden inside the pores. The skin is now ready for detailed extraction. Step 3. Pore by pore extraction. Now comes the satisfying part. Instead of rushing, each pore is cleaned individually. Every extraction removes another stubborn blackhead. Slowly, the congestion disappears. Step 4. The transformation builds. With every cleaned pore, the skin begins changing. Dark spots fade, congestion decreases, the nose starts looking smoother and healthier. Step 5. Final inspection. After the final extraction, the pores are inspected once more. What was once a congested surface now appears noticeably cleaner and more refined. Step 6. Skin recovery. A soothing treatment helps calm the skin after the extraction process. This leaves the nose looking refreshed and balanced. Final results. Before, hundreds of clogged pores, stubborn blackheads, uneven skin texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother nose surface, visible deep pore cleaning results. Final message: great skin care isn't about rushing, it's about precision. One pore, one extraction, one transformation at a time. If you enjoyed this deep nose blackheads extraction with pore by pore cleaning, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformation videos.